Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to create a newsletter on Canva. It's not something difficult. Just follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video, and you're going to see that it's not something difficult and it's so easy for beginners to create a newsletter. So without wasting your time, guys, let's go and show you how you can do it. So the first thing that you need to do is to come here and search for newsletter. Okay, let's search for it. Alright, so here you're going to find a lot of templates that you can choose from. So choose the one that you loved. So for me, I'm going to choose randomly. Let's choose, for example, this one. Okay, click on customize template. Okay, so here you can start to modify the info. For example, I'm gonna see or remove sustainability and choose urgent news. I'm just writing randomly. Here you can change the date. Here I'm gonna write, do you know about the disaster? I'm just writing randomly, or just do you know, but try to write something that is meaningful for you if you want to create a newsletter. Here you can write the details. Also here you can, I'm gonna type, for example, end of newsletter. So I'm just trying to give you an idea about what you can do. So if you want to modify the text, just click on the text and you can modify it. If you want to remove it, click on delete. For the photos, you can change it easily. So let's come, for example, okay, let's come to elements. I'm gonna search for urgent. Or you can just, if you want to upload your photos or your own photos, you can just come here to upload here, click on it, and you can upload a photo or your videos. Okay, so here, for example, let's search for something to add. You can change the size. And add this one here, like this. You see, and also you can change the colors of the newsletter. For example, if you have like a page that is branded to other colors, for example, to red, you can change it to red, like this, red, and that's it. So this is what you can do, and at the end you can just click on share, then click on download, and it's downloading now. So that's it, guys. This is all you can do in order to create a newsletter on Canva. So this was the video. I hope it was useful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.